Hello, my friends. How you doing? I hope you're doing well. I want to give you a little idea on what I've been working on over the past week. Over the past week, I have been working with my students who are taking the PMP exam, but I've also been working on stuff with my buddy, Roy. We are working on a 4-week workshop to break down this little guy over here, the 7th edition. What I've realized in going through the 7th edition is that a lot of people's apprehension and fear and concern about this book could have easily been averted if the PMI had been more transparent. Because when you take a look at it, first of all, it's aesthetically pleasing to the eye, number one. Number two, I believe the intent was to make life easier for people. And thirdly, I believe the intent was to present a more agnostic view of the world of project management. Now, when you take a look at it from that lens, now, they say hindsight is 2020. I don't know what to call it, but now that what was being done in secret has been revealed, and you take a look at majority of the content, you realize it's not as horrendous as we imagined it would be. Now, are there some things that should not have been done the way they were? For example, the domains, yes, the domain, tedious, needless change that shouldn't have been done. Now, let's put the domains aside. It's not a bad attempt at the principles, the 12 principles, the methods, models, artifacts, tailoring, all that stuff is great. Value delivery system, great. So I don't know why PMI was hiding in the caves, trying to work in secret. No one was going to hurt the vision. We just wanted to make sure that every stakeholder had a say, just like we've done over the past number of years. So my buddy Roy and I, we are going to take this book in September. We're going to break it apart for you. If you take a look at my copy, what you're going to see, I don't know if you've already seen those highlights. You see those highlights? That book has been highlighted because my buddy Roy and I were going to be breaking this down for you to understand it from a very pragmatic standpoint. As practitioners of the profession, this is way beyond PMP speak. This is going into the heart of professionalism as a practitioner. So what we're going to do all of September, for the 4 weeks of September, we're going to be breaking this book down so that you see it from a purely agile lens, a purely predictive lens, and a hybrid lens. 3 lenses. You can't go wrong with that. If you want to be part of this program, go on down to the website. It's hybridprojectmanagement.com. All of my professionals on my Project Leadership Institute, they're all coming to that program. And if you want to join us, just go on down there to hybridprojectmanagement.com and sign up. You'll learn all about the 12 principles. We will marry those 12 principles to, you got it, the Agile Manifesto values and principles, so that you understand where the intersection points are. We will also break down the principles from our own perspective of projects and programs and endeavors we've worked on. And then we're going to take a look at some of the most exciting models, methods, and artifacts so that you will be able to take this back and train your team, train people on it. We're also going to be talking about the domains, but we're going to spin the domains through an agile lens as well. Because I know many of you already understand the knowledge areas, the process groups, you have no trouble there. But these domains, you need to understand and marry them back to the world of agile and hybrid to make it stick. All right, so going down, hybridprojectmanagement.com. Roy and I, we look forward to seeing you. You take care. Bye for now.